So this batch is going to meet uh, 8 o'clock after some days. Okay, is it okay, right, everyone? 8 o'clock. This is 7 o'clock, right? After some days, it will be merged in 8 o'clock. Hello. Okay, right. Get my yeah, present. Right. So yes. So my name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. So as a part of the course, we are going to learn Angular. Okay, everybody. And Angular testing is not part of the course. One more time, listen. Angular testing is not part of the course. Okay, Angular is the our course. Okay, not testing. Okay, right. So you can now send. Yeah. Okay, right. So one second, everybody. So as a part of the course, what will you get? I will tell these related things. So as a part of the course, you will get TypeScript videos, or not TypeScript plus everyone. TypeScript videos you will get. Okay, everybody, right? And then after you will get Angular, and then we will do a project also. We will do a project also, two projects actually. CRUD operations is one project. CRUD, CRUD, create, retrieve, update, and delete. And second thing is a mean stack project. Okay, mean stack means I don't teach you complete MongoDB Express.js, but whatever the code I write in the project, that particular code I will explain you. Okay, that is a mean stack project by using MongoDB database, Express.js as backend, by Angular as front end. We will do a project also. Now I want to show you that project. Give me a second, everybody. Right. So see here, everyone. Yes. Saying it, everybody. This project. Hello. Unmute yourself and respond, everyone. Hello.
Yes, we can see.
Right. So see here, everyone. This foods, whatever you are seeing here, these are all coming from the database. These are all not coming statically. These all are coming from database only. Okay, right. These are all are coming from the database only. We have two types. We have 8 products totally. So all products are 8. Among the all, 6 foods are fast food. Among the 8, 5 foods are lunch. These are also coming dynamically from the database only. With the count, we are getting it. Pizzas are 3, slow food are 2, soup are 1, burger 1, hamburger 1, fry 1. And this is set food. So this is normally, this is how it is looking. And whenever you search, for example, pizza. See it everybody, how many pizzas are there? 3. How many we are getting? 3. See it everyone. Pizza, vegetables, magenta pizza. Understand it everybody? Respond please. So it is the project is containing search functionality also. Okay, everyone. Right. Now you can click there. So now just so you don't want to search directly. You want to click on this tags. Okay, you can click there here also. Slow food 2. See it. How many foods we are getting? 2 only. Chicken soup and meatball. These are all slow foods. Hello. Hello. See, unmute yourself, everyone. Okay, unmute yourself and respond, everyone. So, search functionality is there, tags functionality also there. Okay, right. For example, if any food you are there, suppose you are searching like ABC, there is no ABC food. So, if you search, what happens? Nothing found, reset search. So, ABC food is not there. Please reset your search. That's what we are getting. Okay, full professional we are getting. Right now, I want to add this fried potatoes. Click there. Whenever you click on the product, this details page is coming like this. Fried potatoes. Click on the add to cart. See, whenever you click on the add to cart, we are coming to the cart page. And whenever you click on the add to cart, immediately it is updating here in the cart also. How many? Cart count is 1 now. Respond everybody. Hello. 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 Getting my voice. Unmute yourself and respond everyone. Right. So this is the cart and this is the account we are getting. So when okay, right. Now if you update the cart account here, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you update the cart, here also it is updating. Here also it is updating, and not only that, here in this cart count also it is updating here. Cart count also it is updating here. Okay, right. Now click there. Fried potatoes already completed. Now I want to add this soup also. Click here and add to cart. See it? Previously 2, now 1. So totally 3. Here also count 3 and price is totally 15. Here this is 4 and this is 11. So 11 plus 4, 15. That is the count we are getting here. $15. Now click on the checkout. See it everybody, I did not log in here. So whenever you click on the checkout, what is happening, we'll see it. See it, whenever I click on the checkout, directly I'm not going to the checkout page. Where are we going? We are going to the login page. Why? Because without login, okay, we cannot check out. So can I directly log in? No, I need to register. So here I'm giving permission to register. See it, everybody, new user, register here. So here you can, the user is clicked. Okay, if he does not log in, okay, everybody, if he does not log in, sorry, if he is not already registered, he will click here, register here. So if you click on the register here, this is the information you will get: name, email, password, confirm password, and address. And you need to click on the register. So I have already registered. So I'm writing like this: Ramesh@gmail.com and password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See it, everybody. Not. See, as soon as you log in, what happened? Your name is coming here, Ramesh, and you are coming to the checkout page right now. Okay, whenever you click on the checkout, directly you are not going to the checkout page. because it has to display the user's information. When we can display the user's information, whenever the user is logged in. So that's why it is going to the login page. When we can log in, whenever the user is registered. So in the login page, I'm giving link. Okay, I'm providing an hyperlink to register also. So finally, I have registered. Whenever I register, finally I have logged in. What happened? Immediately it's coming to the checkout page. And see it. My name is Ramesh, and this is my address. And these are products I have added to my cart. What is that? Fried potatoes and chicken soup. See here, I am not giving any permission to change this. Okay, and see it, everybody. We need to click on the find my location button to find the delivery address. Click on the find my location. This is my current address. Okay, everybody. Right. So up to here, I will teach you the project. This is our project. So it is including map also. Now click on the go to payment. See it, everybody. Up to here, or this is order of summary, and this is a map. Here you are not able to drag and drop this. So this is our project, everybody. Up to here, I will teach. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. This is local computer. We are not able to pay. Hello. Hello. Kindly respond, everybody. Hello. Arifur Rahman. Are you understanding right? Okay, everyone. This is our project. So this is our final project. Okay, of course, this is local project. Sorry, yeah, local server, right? That's why you are not able to pay. But I will tell you how to configure this. Create the PayPal developer account. Up to here, I will teach you. That's it. So this project is containing what is that? Search functionality, tax functionality, details functionality, then after cart functionality, then after checkout functionality, and not only that, authentication also there, register and login, and the maps also there. What is that, everybody? Maps also there. So how to integrate the maps? Okay, right. This is purely main stack project. What is that, everybody? This is purely main stack project. That means I'm not going to teach you complete MongoDB and complete Express.js. But whatever the code I write in the project, definitely I will explain you that particular code. Okay, whatever the code I will explain, whatever the code I write, definitely I will explain that particular code. But this is a mean stack project, so that you will get some extra knowledge how to combine this Angular, how to combine this Angular with MongoDB technologies and Node.js also. So backend is Node.js and Express.js, and MongoDB database. Front end is Angular. And here in the Angular also, it will cover the all the topics also. For example, if you observe here in the front end, SRC, see it, everybody. Yep, if you go there, so there is components. So however, I need to teach you components also, and modules I will teach you. Then after services, see it, everybody. Services. This is purely working with the REST APIs. So it will cover the REST APIs topic as well. Okay, and not only that, it will contain the authentication functionality already have shown you. And not only that, there is interceptor concept also there, and guards concept also there. Interceptor concept and guard concept. So interceptors and guards both are also covered. Okay, right. So then after components, and the entire page also a component, particular section also a component only. Okay, everybody, right? Understand it, everyone? Please respond. Unmute yourself and respond, everyone. With voice, try to respond. So this is the Angular topics, everybody. TypeScript with the OOPS concepts that will cover the videos. I'm not going to teach you that, but in the videos it is there. Okay, everybody, right? And the Angular installation. This is the topics. Okay, from here onwards I will teach. This you will get the in the videos only. I'm not going to teach you this, but here, okay, here onwards I will teach. What is that? Angular installation, Angular introduction, and installation. So tomorrow onwards we'll discuss this Angular intro with installation. Then after detailed explanation about Angular structure, component creation, variable declaration, data binding in components, event binding in components, predefined pipes, custom pipes, predefined directives, custom directives. Then immediately we start with the routing. Then after child called routing, wildcard entry routing, lazy loading routing. Then after template driven forms with validation, reactive forms with validation, input and output concepts. That means a custom directive and custom pipes. Sorry, custom property and custom event. Input means custom property, output means custom event. And then after auth guard concepts, HTTP interceptors, services. Okay, everybody, see here CRUD operations by using a Angular material. Angular material also is going to cover here with REST API. And observe here mean stack e-commerce project. That's what I have shown you right now. We're using REST API and RxJS. Okay, everybody, right? So this is the topics we are going to discuss as a part of the course. Understanding right, everyone? Hello. What about others, everyone? Rahman only responding. Prasanna, Srinivas, Narayana, Venkatesh. Respond through voice. I cannot see your messages. Kindly respond through voice.
Yes, sir, able to understand.
Okay, everyone. Right. Leave it like this, everybody. So tomorrow onwards we'll meet. We'll continue with the Angular classes. So due to power cut, I'll join a little bit lately, not little bit. Of course, 20 minutes late. I'm sorry. So due to power cut that happened. So tomorrow onwards we'll meet and we'll continue with the Angular classes. And one more time, listen. This batch is going to merge. That means this batch class is going to continue 8 o'clock after some days. Okay, everybody, respond please. Hello. Okay, right. After some days, this batch it is going classes will be continue from 8 o'clock onwards. Okay, don't tell I did not teach you previously. Yes, thank you very much, everyone. Okay, yes. So that's it, everyone. This is the classes. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet. We will continue. Okay, right. Thank you very much, everybody. So and daily 1 hour class, everyone. So this is the topics also already covered. Daily 1 hour. At present, I will continue at 78. After a few days, I will tell you 2 days before or at least one day before. Then onwards, we'll continue from 8 to 9. Okay, everybody. Right. Thank you very much, everybody. Yeah. Monday to Friday only classes. Saturday, Sunday holidays. Monday to Friday only. Saturday, Sunday. That is holidays only. And everything will be in practical manner. Okay, everyone. Right. Yes, that's it, everyone. Thank you. So tomorrow we'll meet everyone. We'll continue with the Angular introduction. Okay. Thank you very much, everybody.